Trusting the process is something that we all understand the importance of it, and I'll talk about it. Trusting the process is so important with relevant to faith certainty, because if you're putting faith and certainty behind the trusting the process, because our universe is designed in a way that it's very logical, be it the reproductive system or searching for food or any any needs that we may have, or the social needs that if you want to meet people, then you connect with people. You can't be sitting alone just thinking about it. So, you make an effort. So your effort is 1%. And then 99% is the light of the creator. The universe holds the result, because that's something that's designed in a way. That's how our journey is crafted. So trusting the process, and why don't we trust the process? What happens? So what happens if I leave my house to go visit a friend without calling? So I will have doubts in my mind that whether she is even available or not, or then in the way there can be tire burst, or any problems. So that can distract me from going all the way to find out whether my friend is available or not. Small little things. Same is the case with if you're going to grab a coffee and you mm, forget your wallet, then you would say, oh, forget it. So, but if you really need that coffee, you will come back, pick up your wallet, and go back again. So this is what completion of the process means. That if you are really looking for a job, even if one job doesn't go through, then you will pick up another one, because it's a change of destiny, and not the goal. Goal was to earn money, to earn money, to use it in the best interest of the human beings, for your own self, use for the blessings, all of that. But then at the same time, if you did not pick one, if you did not get one job, you did not lose the hope, and then you got up, and then you reapplied to another job, and then you got the job. So it's not about the job at a particular place. It's about getting a job to make your life comfortable. So that looking at the bigger picture. So if you're very specific about if you want to marry, so you can marry a person A, B, C, and if it's not A, then you can always go to option B. That's what trusting the process means. Trusting the process does not mean too much of attachment of a certain result from of a goal. The goal is always the bigger picture, which is a marriage or money or children. So it doesn't have to be necessarily a certain person, a certain company, a certain contract. Okay, if you want to earn $1 million, it can be through a job, it can be through a contract, it can be anything, right? So the goal is to make X amount of money, but then the path to the goal needs to be flexible. That's what is expected out of us. That's what is Allah wants us to believe in. So this is what we call it trusting the process. And while changing the paths to the goal, you need to have that faith and trust without having resentment and complaints that, oh, I have to do this and this much time. When we become a little bit too controlling and calculative about our plans, that's when our frustration starts, and that's where the process get delayed. And then once you delay the process, the blessings would not come as early as you would like to, ideally, because there are so much complaint and resentment in your energy system, so that blocks your blessings path. So trusting the process is not about having a certain person or a certain job or a certain contract or a certain child. Trusting the process is not only to pray for having a daughter or a son. Trusting the process means that you want a child, and a healthy, obedient, and good child, good human being. And then it can happen this year, it can happen later next year, or the time can change, and then the gender is at the will of Allah. So all those flexibilities universe would like us to give that to universe and leave it to the universe, because the result is in the universe hand. You can only set the goal, the bigger picture, the bigger achievement. So because I said, whatever idea that comes in your mind, it means that there is a merit to that idea. It doesn't mean the idea needs to be a broader spectrum, that I can do the business, I can marry an next person. Okay, fine, you can still put your faith and certainty. But then if the other person is not ready, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get that person. So trusting the process means that you have to identify your goals, and then leave the path to the universe. And if there is a hurdle or if there are barriers to one path, you can always look for alternative, but not give up on the goal and keep going with a certainty that eventually it will fall in place. So that's what the trusting of the process means. It doesn't mean that, attaching yourself too much to a person or a job or a contract, any gender for a child, or a particular destination wedding, or a particular destination vacation. So, all that universe doesn't like it, because Allah doesn't like you to plan. He has a plan and you have to adjust your life accordingly. So, and you have to adjust your behavior accordingly, because Allah's plan works, and then everything needs to come around that plan happily with gratitude. So, the more you're in gratitude, the more He's gonna give you. So, He says it clearly, and I've given you so much that you need to be thankful, anyways, because a lot of people cannot breathe without a machine, and we take a lot of breaths in 24 hours. So, we have so much to say thank you to Him. We have health, we have peace of mind, we have shelter, we sleep on a warm bed, we eat the best of foods. So, there's so much, there's always so much to look for and say thank you to Him. So trusting the process is not for a particular object, because then it becomes attachment and then it becomes egoic, and because then you're putting a lot more energy to a certain particular thing to control the end result. The end result in Allah's hand, but the broader picture, the goal is in your hand, which you need to set up. So please remember me in your prayers. Going through the process is very important. Like always, I say, with certainty and faith. And once you achieve something, say thank you. And a smile, which is a sadka jariya. So keep smiling, keep yourself in positivity and gratitude, and have lots of praise for myself, and I'll do the same for you.